Hey everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at ATS Le Grandiose project, which is located at Sector 150 Noida. So friends, this is the front view of golf course, and this is the project. Here you can see the various towers. This project is built across 18 acres of land and carries 13 number of towers with 26 floors. So friends, this is the view from the balcony. From here you can see the golf course. It's an under construction project. So now we'll give you the interior view of a 3 BHK sample flat, which is of 2000 square feet. So friend, this is the living room with attached balcony. So now we are moving towards the bedroom area, and here comes the first bedroom. So this is the interior view of first bedroom, which is having an attached balcony. And this is the attached washroom. Now we are moving towards the kitchen, and here comes the kitchen area with attached balcony. Beside the kitchen, this is the servant room. And here is the washroom area. So now this is the view of the second bedroom with attached balcony. So friends, this is the attached balcony. From here you can take the outside view of the society. And this is the attached washroom. Now here comes the third bedroom. So this is the interior view of third bedroom. And this is the attached washroom with this bedroom. So friends, as you can see, the rooms are spacious and skillfully designed. So now this is the view from the balcony of the living room. From here you can see the various towers of ATS Le Grandiose project. It's an under construction project and the possession of this project will be given by July 2019. So this we have given you the 3 BHK interior view of super build-up area 2000 square feet. Now we'll give you the interior view of 3 BHK, another 3 BHK having super build-up area of 1625 square feet. So friends, this is the balcony attached with living area. So this is the view of the balcony and this is the living area. Here is the dining hall and here comes the kitchen. So this is the view of the kitchen area. With separate utility area. So now this is the first bedroom of this flat. This is the common washroom. And here comes the second bedroom. This is the attached washroom. And here is the attached balcony. Now this is the third bedroom of the flat. And here is the attached washroom. And over there you can see the attached balcony. So this is the view from the balcony. And now we'll give you another interior view of a 3 BHK category of having super build-up area of 2300 square feet. So friends, this is the first bedroom of the flat with attached balcony. This is the dressing area and here is the attached washroom. Now this is the living room with attached balcony. And this is the dining area, and here comes the kitchen. So friends, this is the view of the kitchen area, and here comes the balcony. Here is the washroom area, and this is the servant room. Now this is the second bedroom of the flat. And this is the view of the attached washroom. Now here comes the third bedroom with attached balcony. And this is the attached washroom. So friends, this is the balcony view. So as you can see, the rooms are spacious, the hall is spacious and skillfully designed for the comfort of the residents. With fantastic flooring, floor work. So next we'll give you the interior view of 4 BHK flat of super built-up area, 3200 square feet. So my friends, this is the first bedroom with attached balcony of this 4 BHK flat. So this is the spacious balcony along with this spacious room. And here is the attached washroom. Now we are moving towards the living area. So friends, this is the living area with attached balcony. So this is the spacious balcony. As you can see, it's a wide balcony, and from here you can take the exterior view of the society. Now this is the dining area, and now we are moving towards the kitchen. So this is the kitchen area with attached balcony. So this is the balcony view. So now this is the second bedroom, and over there you can see the balcony, and here is the attached washroom. So this is the spacious room of 4 BHK flat. This project is three-sided open and surrounded by lush green environment. So this is the third bedroom with attached balcony, and this is the washroom area. Now this is the fourth bedroom with attached balcony. And here is the washroom area with this bedroom. So friends, we have given you the interior view of 3 BHK flat and 4 BHK flat of various configuration. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.